Hi, it's Dr. Olivia from Real Healthy Me. How was your weekend? I hope it was a good time for you to recover and get refreshed for yet another busy week. Hopefully not too busy. So today I'm going to continue on the series of self-care. So self-care part 2, how to start your day or maintain a busy day. So for example, all of us have this. So when you wake up, you worry about stuff, you've got meetings after meetings, you've got kids to squeeze in and manage in between, you've got meals to prepare, lunch boxes to prepare. And then usually as females we tend to forget about ourselves, and men too actually, they tend to just survive on coffee and chips sometimes. Did I hear any men out there that says yes, that's me? So how do we take care of ourselves on a busy day like that? So I've got 3 hot tips for you today. So number 1 is start your day well, and basically we start the day with good nutrition. So good quality nutritious breakfast with good amount of protein, lots of fibers, and green stuff is excellent. Number 2 is then remember to breathe. I know we breathe all the time, this is what our brain does, tells us to breathe, but don't forget to breathe in between meetings, in between emails, in between tasks, in between traffic lights, even if you're a high stress person on the road. So just don't forget to take deep breaths in and out so your body slows down and you're not always on the go. And my third and final tip for today is to keep moving. So not just in your brain but also in your body. So that can be literally jumping up and down between emails, the stretches of the legs, in the hour or two, climb up and down the stairs, use the bathroom upstairs, use the bathroom downstairs, just keep moving. Okay, so yeah, give that a go this week, and you can even leave some comments and tips below for our followers, and for us to learn from you what you do as well, and let us know if there's any way we can help. Have an awesome week. Bye.